Hi everyone, welcome to Greatful Learner. Welcome to this video. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today is our topic is ट्रैफिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्लानिंग। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं ट्रैफिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्लानिंग के बारे में इसके इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में, इसके की प्रिंसिपल्स के बारे में, ट्रैफिक फ्लो एनालिसिस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्लानिंग के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। इसके डिफरेंट मेथड्स होते हैं जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्लानिंग के लिए, सिग्नल्स वगैरह का क्या क्या डिजाइनेबल एंड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन होता है उसके बारे में हम इस वीडियो में डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे, ट्रैफिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्लानिंग के बारे में। तो चलिए पढ़ते हैं और डिटेल में समझते हैं हम ट्रैफिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड इट्स प्लानिंग को। ओके, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट इंट्रोडक्शन टू ट्रैफिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड इट्स ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्लानिंग। ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द एक्सप्लोर एंड इन क्रिएटिव वर्ल्ड of traffic engineering and transportation planning, where science, technology and innovations converge to design efficient and sustainable transportation system. Basically, it means to say that exploring the traffic engineering and transportation planning, whereas the science and technology and the innovation coverage their designs and efficient and sustainable with transportation system. Okay, these are the introduction of transportation and traffic engineering. Okay, now the next one is like that I am discuss of traffic importance of traffic engineering and urban planning. What is the traffic engineering and its urban planning? There are three: safety and efficiency, environmental impact, and the social equity. The safety and efficiency discussed minimizing congestion and ensuring safe transportation and the networks and the core of the urban planning. There are the three: safety and efficiency. And the second one is environmental impact, basically addressing air noise pollutions to create a healthier urban environments through traffic engineering. There are environmental impact, basically environments through traffic engineering. And the social and the social equity, like ensuring equal access and connectivity for all communities through thoughtful and transportation planning. These are the importance of traffic engineering and its urban planning: the safety and efficiency, and the environmental impact, and the society equity. Now the second one is key principle and concept of traffic engineering. And the first one is road capacity analysis and the intelligent transportation system and the transportation planning models. There are three key principles and concepts in traffic engineering. First of all, road capacity analysis, understanding the maximum load a road segment can handle, crucial networks and optimization. Okay, and the intelligent transportation system, basically developing advanced technologies for the traffic monitoring, management and control in urban environments. There are second one, intelligent transportation system. There are key principles are and concepts in traffic engineering. And the third one is transportation planning models, utilizing mathematical and statistical models to forecast travel demand and plan future of infrastructure. There are key principle and the concept of transportation planning and its design. And the third one is traffic flow analysis and model techniques. There are three models to flow of traffic and the analysis of model technique: the microscopic analysis, and the mesoscopic and macroscopic modeling, and the simulation and the predictive tools. There are three: traffic flow analysis and modeling techniques. First of all, a microscopic analysis is examining individual vehicle movements and interaction in traffic flow, called a microscopic analysis. And the studying traffic flow at intermediate and systems wide levels to inform infrastructure planning, called mesoscopic and macroscopic modeling. And the simulation and the predictive tools, basically using advanced software model to traffic scenarios and predict system behavior and performance, called simulation and predictive tools. There are three traffic flow and the modeling techniques. Okay, now the traffic signals and optimization. There are three traffic signals and optimization: timing algorithms, smart intersection technologies, and the signal coordination techniques. Okay, and the timing algorithm, developing and fine tuning developing and fine tuning signal timing to facilitate efficient traffic movement. Those are called timing algorithm. And the smart intersection technologies implementing sensors and adaptive signals for responsive and dynamic traffic control. There are smart control and technologies and the signal coordination technique, basically coordination traffic signals to create green coordination and the minimize delays in urban areas. There are traffic signals and urban planning optimization. Okay, now the next one is transportation planning and demand management. What strategy? What is the strategy of demand management and transportation planning? There are three strategies to demand management and its strategy: transit oriented development, and the congestion pricing, and the mobility as a service called mass. And the first one is designing communities and around public transmit and reduce dependency on the sustainable level, and the congestion pricing, basically implementing tools to reduce peak tour traffic, encourage and alternative transportation mode. There are congestions pricing, and there are other demand management style, and the mobility as a service means must integrating various transportation service into a single accessible on demand mobility solution. There are three: transportation planning and demand management and its strategy. Okay. Okay, now the sustainable transportation solutions and alternative models of transportation, basically sustainable transportation solution and alternative models of transportation, and the cycling infrastructure and the mass rapid transit MRT and the electric vehicles and EVs, basically the promoting safe and sustainable cycling networks within urban and suburban areas. Okay, and the mass rapid MTR, mass rapid transit, basically developing efficient and accessible underground transport system and reduce congestion. There are MRT, and the electric vehicles advancing eco-friendly transportations options through electric cars and charging infrastructure. Basically, the sustainable transportation solution and alternative models for transportation is cycling infrastructures and mass rapid transit MRT and the electric vehicles. Okay, now the case studies and the future trends to develop and the real world application in traffic engineering and transportation. Okay, transportation. Okay. Now the case study and transportation, basically like that the systems, and the first one is case studies and the rural application and the international project. And the case studies, basically city case study implementing a smart traffic management and the system reduced to downtown congestion, and the designing efficient rural and the world networks enhance connectivity and the safety. There are case studies and the real world and traffic engineering and the urban flow. Traffic engineering, they are major parts of transportation and traffic planning. And the rural application, basically designing efficient and rural roads networks and enhance connectivity and safety. There are the transportation planning to the real world to convert it to the better. And the international project, basically implementing sustainable transportation solution in a major metropolitan area. There are three case study and future takeaways to enhance and the better to transportation and its transportation engineering and transportation planning. Okay. Okay, there are case studies and the urban planning and the numerator. Okay.
आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। इस वीडियो से आपको बहुत अच्छे हेल्प मिले होंगे। तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और एक अच्छा सा कमेंट करें। धन्यवाद।